In this video, we'll be showing you a couple easy solutions as to how you can fix your Xbox controller stick drift. Stick drift is essentially where dirt and grime get trapped underneath the joystick and the controller begins to do inputs in which you're not actually pressing. This is just a very basic fix and it's not going to be a deep clean. You can find some of those other guides online. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is move our joystick controller down to the side, and you can see that it has a whole bunch of dirt just right around that little bulb underneath where your finger goes. We're going to take our little cloth and just begin to wipe some of that dirt off so it doesn't fall down into the controller itself any more than what's already there. Okay, and then we're going to do that for both sides here. Once both sides of the controller have been wiped down, then we are actually going to pull the joystick up to where it clicks out, and you can pull it down and it should reveal a little tiny gap in between the joystick and the body of the controller. In that gap, you're going to want to blow into it or use a pressurized air can to force air into there and hopefully remove any of the dirt or grime that is blocking the sensors for the joystick. Now, you want to make sure you do this around the entire circumference of the joystick and do it to both sides, and then once you've done that, go ahead and push both joysticks down into place, and then we're going to begin to rotate them. We're rotating them while pushing down into the controller. This is hopefully going to push out any of the other dirt that we weren't able to blow out of the way. And after doing it for a while in one direction, go ahead and just reverse that, still pushing down into the controller to hopefully remove that dirt. Okay, after that is done, then the last thing you want to do, just push both of them down, make sure they are correctly aligned, and hopefully that fixed the stick drift. If that did not solve it, then one thing you can do if you're not going to completely disassemble your controller, a lot of games have settings where you can adjust the dead zone. So basically this dead zone, if you increase it, that means it's going to require more of an input on your controller in order for an action to take place. While this won't actually fix the problem, it can be a quick solution. If this video was helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.